Hello everybody and welcome to Basic Maths. I'm sorry that I didn't upload yesterday and that I came a little late. I didn't have time to upload yesterday. I hope you understand. Anyhow, today we will be learning about the subtraction from 1 to 100. Now, the subtracting from 1 to 100 is pretty similar to adding from 1 to 100. Just the opposite way. Actually pretty simple. So let me show you what I mean by that. Let's get like a 13 minus 8 in the 13 minus... Now let's try a 13 minus 2 first. That's simpler. 13 minus 2 gives us... So we basically have to do 3 minus 2 gives us a 1. And because this number is not bigger than this number, we can ignore this one for now. So we place a 1 and another 1 from this one. So the answer is 11. Now let's check what our previous example would have given us. Whoops, sorry about that. 13 minus 8. Now this one is a little bit more interesting. 13 minus 8. Because 8 is bigger than 3, this number will do something interesting. So first we do 3 minus 8. 3 minus 8 is 2, 1, 0. Now what happens after that? This number gets sacrificed, quote unquote, sacrificed to add a 10. So basically 2, 1, 12, 11, 10. And then this number disappears and we go back 9, 8, 7, 6, and 5. So the answer is 5. Let's try something a little more complicated. 26 minus 13. Now we see that 3 is smaller than 6. Which is important for later. 6 minus 3 gives us a 3. And a 2 minus 1, a 1. Now we will place this 3 here and this 1 obtained here. So the answer is 13. Now let's move on to something a little more complicated. 53 minus 24. This is pretty complicated. So yeah. First we check if 4 is bigger than 3, and it is. So we know that a digit from here will need to be sacrificed. We go 3 minus 4, 2, 1, 0, and 9. So the answer is 9 here. So here goes a 9. Now we do 5 minus 2, which gives us a 3. But because of the previously sacrificed digit, due to 4 being bigger than 3, we have to take 1 out of the 3, which gives us a 2. So the answer is 29. Now, if you understood, I will give you a test. A little test. Let me just write it down. Test. Now, it will be a little tough. So, here we go. 16 minus 5 equals 24 minus 8 equals 39 minus 13 equals, and finally 74 minus 57 equals. Sorry, my writing is bad. Now I will wait for you to do this test. In the meantime, I will sit here and vibe. Also, I'd like to write the grades that you will be getting. If you do this without mistakes, you will get an A. Let me just write that down, 0 mistakes. If you have 1 mistake, you will get B. 2 mistakes, and you'll get a C. 3 mistakes, and you'll get a D. And 4 mistakes, and you'll get an F. So the time is up. Let's see the results. So, 16 minus 5. First, we do 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 gives us a 1. And because 5 is smaller than 6, we can keep this number. So, the answer is 11. 24 minus 8. Now, 8 is bigger than 4, so we do 24 minus 8. 3, 2, 1, 0. A 1 digit flies away from the 2, turning it into a 1. And a 9, 8, 7, and 6. So the answer is 16. Now, 39 minus 13. So 3 is smaller than 9, so no additional number will fly out of the 3. So 9 minus 3 gives us a 6. And the 3 minus 1 gives us a 2. So the answer is 26. And finally, 74 minus 57. Definitely the toughest one. So 7 is bigger than 4. So we will have to sacrifice a number for 7. So 3, 2, 1, 0, 9, 8, and 7. So here it goes a 7. And we do 7 minus 5, which gives us a 2. And because of the 1 sacrificed earlier, we also do 2 minus 1, which gives us a 1. The answer is 17. Now, this is the end of the test. Don't forget, if you got an A, then good job. You did it without 0 mistakes. If you got a B, then you had 1 mistake. You did very well. You should train a little more. You still should train a tad more. C, 2 mistakes. You understood the beginning, but might have fallen out in the rest. A D, 3 mistakes. You might have not understood, and you might need a little more training. And F, 4 mistakes. It seems like you didn't understand the lesson. You might need a bunch of training. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay safe. And I will see you in the next video. Goodbye, everybody.